Hey YouTube, what's good? It's your girl Naturally Empress Natty, and I am back again today because I did a 2-strand twist out that came out coily and I was here for it. So if you want to see how that came out plus a little tea from Love and Hip Hop, then stick around. Today I will be using 3 products. So I'm not sponsoring any products and I'm not being paid to do this, but I used Kinky Curly, not today because we don't have time for knots, and I liked it. It has a ton of slip, so it worked for what I was doing. As a style setter, I used Shine and Jam with Honey, and it has Super Hold, which should get this kinky hair together. I also used organic extra virgin olive oil, which has been cold pressed, and my hair has really taken a liking to olive oil. I went ahead and poured it into a small container just so that I could easily glide it through my hair, and I got thirsty. You guys see the shrinkage? Look at that. Look. Bam, right? And then you put in some moisture, and your girl got hair though. I'm taking super small sections. This is why these styles take me forever. So you see how small this is? Not much hair at all. And then I'm just twisting them. 2-strand twist. This is all that I'm doing. And then at the end, I'm gonna do my little like corkscrew, twist it, let it go. Bam. I'm gonna move on to Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. This should be fun. I'm gonna keep twisting. We gonna see what's good with this tea. This is the life. I'm so proud of Spice. Some people hating, but the perfect example of the nonsense that I'm talking about. So the cops pull over Kirk's son for having some weed. I'm not condoning it. I'm just saying that that's what happened on the show. No bail. 2 white men kill a black man. And we as black people are begging for an arrest to be made. Can you believe it?
I'm tired of BK messing around on me.
These women just stay with these men for too long. Like, he cheated on you once, he cheated on you twice, he cheated on you 3 times, and we're still talking about BK. First time, I get it. Second time, Third time, bitch, bye. How did I twist that? Why did I look funny? You guys see that? I look funny as hell. Alright. So I still having a hard time figuring out my porosity, but I'm working on it. Yo, Carly is so messy. So I finished it off camera, and this is what it looks like after 2 days of drying. I'm gonna just do a quick little massage and a quick dance, and bam, ready for a takedown. So I have my oil. Let's find the cameraman and let us get some oil on there to cut down on the frizziness. I usually twist the oil in the original way that I twisted my hair, and then I'll twist the opposite way so that I can find the split. And then after that, I will go ahead and feather out, not feather out, but separate my coils so that they look nice and fluffy. But look at my coil though. So listen, for this being my first twist out, I'm so happy with how this is coming out. This is a shot from the back, and I'm excited for what this is about to look like when I'm done. So I have taken everything out, and I'm gonna use my pick that is super old, but it's gonna have to work because I haven't been to the store yet. But now I'm just gonna like pull it out a little bit, not pick through it, but just try to get the roots a little bit voluminous so that I could get some height out of my hair. But I really like how my twist out came out. Actually, I've never really seen coils on the ends of my hair like that from a twist out, because in the past I would always twist my hair to the end. So knowing now that to do a corkscrew at the end is much better, or a curl, or whatever you want to call it. But I'm liking that a lot. So now I'm just figuring out how do I want to style this, and I'll be done. This was so cute to me, and I like the way that my hair feels, because on the ends I don't feel like they're gonna get damaged because they still have that coil in them. So I'm very happy with what happened here. Yay, a successful hairstyle. I did have one area in the back of my head where I don't know what I did there. I don't know why it didn't coil the way that it was supposed to, but that was weird. Other than that, see right there, that spot, that one spot. But other than that, I just twisted in a few coils, and then the rest of my hair was done, and I was happy. So I just want to point out that I have so many gray hairs. So if you guys see any of them, no, it is not string. It is my hair. I have a crap ton of grays. And now it's time for edge control. So let's get this hair cute and then stick around for the final product. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm so happy I finally had a successful hairstyle, because that last video, yo, that was a mess. You guys know it was a mess. It was a mess. So here we are at the end of the successful hair video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.